Thank you guys for clicking on this video. It really means a lot to me. I've always had fond memories of IKEA. When I was a kid, my family would take me to IKEA every Tuesday, and we wouldn't always buy something, but we liked it because it was quality family time. There's something so calming about its layout, and I really enjoy their magazines. It's just so inspirational. It's actually my favorite thing to read when I'm in the bathroom. To me, it makes sense to take photos at IKEA. The place is set up to be adored. The lighting there is set up to highlight the furniture and the products that they want to have people purchase. And so as a photographer, having all these lights already set up makes things a lot easier. Just point and shoot pretty much. I think they do a really good job setting things up. There's something aesthetically pleasing about IKEA and their furniture. IKEA's primary colors are yellow and blue, but overall I think their colors are beautifully muted and soft, and the way that their products are made are minimal yet practical. And all this goes into play for that relaxing feel that the IKEA store has. Everything is just so pleasing and the vibes are good. Using a Fujifilm camera, you know how to use the Fujifilm recipes. It's just an easier way to get a beautiful image out of the camera. If you're not familiar with the Fujifilm recipes, there's a website called Fuji X Weekly where you have Fujifilm custom settings that you get beautiful images, beautiful JPEG images straight out of camera. This is the one that I used for this photo shoot. If you're not familiar, I would highly suggest checking the website out and playing around with your camera and try different ones. They're really helpful. I also used my 18 to 55 millimeter lens for the versatility. It's honestly one of the best lenses that Fujifilm has to offer. And also I put in a diffusion filter, which is a Cinesoft Subtle. It pretty much makes your photos have less of a digital edge and gives you that glowy feel. The point of this photo shoot was to really practice my photography. I knew IKEA is just perfect for the setting and for the things that I wanted to shoot. I like the layout of IKEA and I like the way that they set up stuff. I think in all photography you are trying to capture a moment and the feelings that evoke that moment. My personal experience with IKEA and like the memories I had as a kid, I really try to capture them on film or on photos. Shooting IKEA was something that came out of nowhere. I didn't plan to do this. I brought my camera one time that I went, and I realized that the lighting, the setup, the colors, the way that you can interact with the furniture, and how much light and how much space, or how much minimal space they use to create a beautiful layout. I thought it was just perfect to take photos. And because I've always gone there, I think that my understanding of IKEA and the way I see IKEA is something worth taking a picture for. Or taking several photos, actually. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you checking out this video. Till the next time.